Well, it is still snowing outside. I'm gonna stay in bed all day, but we have stuff to do. So let's get started. Well, I'm gonna go take a shower. Oh, wow. Thank God for this guy. Because we were about to be like trapped in here. It snowed so much last night. Anyways, I could go down the street a little bit to take a shower at Planet Fitness because I have a membership, but since I stayed here last night and they allowed me to stay here, I think I should patronize them by getting a shower. Plus, they're private showers, so it's kind of a win-win. But yeah, let's get out of here. This snow is crazy deep. Look at this. Oh my God. That's one night. Oh, nice. This is a lot nicer than I expected, to be honest. I didn't expect a bathtub and a private bathroom along with a private shower. Okay, this is my first truck stop shower. Not bad. Is it like completely extra of me to take a bath and then a shower? Because they didn't give me a time limit. I think I'm gonna do that. This is honestly incredible. I haven't had a bath in I don't know how long. Man. Truck stop showers. I had no idea they were this nice. I'm sold.
I can't seem to forget me, and no one seems to notice I'm not here. I'm just in you check your complexion, find your reflection of the Don't you understand? I changed my plan, 'cause I'm in love with my future. Can't wait to be good. I'm in love.
Okay, you know what I want to do that I haven't done in literal years? I just saw these two people, like the two adults, having a snowball fight outside of the Whole Foods. And I want to have a snowball fight. It sucks. That's the one thing that kind of sucks about traveling alone, because there's some things that are cool to, like, really cool to do with two or more people. Snowball fight would be one of them. Can't really have a snowball fight by myself. I guess I could throw the snowballs up in the air and try to dodge them, but that just seems crazy.
You're so handsome, but I'm your better to drive you home. 'Cause you invite me in, and I'd be yours again.
Oh my god. Wow. What's up? What's up, guys? Made it to the rest stop. It is really cold. Doesn't look like the sun's gonna come out, but I got some things from Whole Foods. I'm gonna make something really weird for dinner tonight. I've been trying to like balance out what I eat and try to eat like a little healthier. So I got lunch from Whole Foods. I've been craving spring rolls. I've never had a spring roll before, so I'm not sure if it's a good idea to start with a Whole Foods spring roll, but here we are. There's a snowplow coming through. Thank you for your service. Those guys are very important. I would be stuck so much without them. All right, so comes with the peanut sauce. Smells really good. Peanut sauce, and then 2 shrimp spring rolls. Never had a spring roll before. Not like this kind. I've had like fried spring rolls, which are pretty much like egg rolls, but I've never had this kind. Dip it in the peanut sauce. That's very good. That's really good. I'm obsessed with this stuff lately. It is so freaking good and refreshing. Watermelon juice. Awesome. All right. Time to clean. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I think I have to call it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to clean the van right now because since I've been here, it's gotten literally inches more of snow. Like it's gotten so bad. When I open the door to clean, snow just drives all the way in. So I cleaned up a little bit. I got rid of a lot of stuff. I actually got rid of my roof storage bag. I had to go through that, pick out everything that I needed, and I got rid of the rest. Walking through the snow is so hard. But yeah, I think we have to move on. I think we're gonna head to Sedona. Hopefully we can get out of the snow. This is like more snow than I've ever driven in, so I can't even see where the road is. But hopefully we can get through this. This is insane. I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna get out of here because I cannot see. Okay, so we are stuck for sure. This sucks. I already tried everything I could to get out. We are trapped. Man, and they just shut the highway down, so I have to call somebody. This is the craziest weather I've ever seen in my entire life. I've never gotten stuck in this van before. But the snow literally is about to start coming up above the van. I called AAA. They are on the way. This sucks. This really sucks. So all I have to do is literally, it's probably gonna cost like a few $100s just to get me from right here to right there. But the snow is just way too deep. There's nothing that I can do. And this is pretty embarrassing. So the highway that I'm on is actually closed down. So I called AAA and they called back and said that they can't get to me because the highway's closed. So they had to call the police for me. And the police are apparently on their way with whatever they have. The lady said that the police have more resources than we do. So, yeah. The police have to come get me out of here because I'm stuck. Do not be like me. I'm not sure if this is the cops or if they're just on their way. So the snowplow guy didn't have any chains and needed to die, so he wasn't able to pull me out. But he did plow the road, so all I had to do was pretty much get from where I am now to the part that he plowed, which is only like a few feet, maybe like 4 or 5 feet. So I got my skateboard out and I just started to like dig and scrape and get all the snow from around my tires and everything like that. This took like an hour to do, but after we were done, oh my God. Nobody came to help me. I just got out. I used my skateboard as a shuffle, used some kitty litter as traction, and I just got out of there. That is insane. That is freaking insane. Oh my God. Okay, we made it out. Dude. Oh, I was there for like 2.5 hours. Wow. Okay, that was pretty intense. I think I have to call the cops now and tell them not to come, even though I don't think they were coming anyways. Oh boy. That was freaking insane. Oh my God. Okay, I'm pulling over to the gas station right now because I think I should call the cops and tell them that, you know, I no longer need their services. Wow. Okay, Astro. Hey, 4x4 spirit. Like I said, Astro might not be 4x4, but Astro has a 4x4 spirit, and that's been proven time and time again. Yeah, so I used my skateboard to help me dig out, which is awesome because I know if I would have got help from the cops, they would have charged me probably a few $100s at least. What's up, guys? So we made it back to the rest stop. I went inside and asked the guy if I could stay a night just to be sure, and he was like, dude, yeah, you can stay. Like, it's crazy out there. So I think we're just good. It is about to get dark. I'm gonna just straighten up, get out of these clothes because they are wet. We made it out. We made it here in one piece, and now we're about to go to bed. So I'll see you guys when we figure out how we're gonna get out of here.